guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. I appreciate every comment, every like, and every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can tell, this box is a little bit beaten up. I don't even know what's in here. So this is the summer sampler box. If you guys didn't know, you can actually subscribe for free and you pay $5 in shipping, and you get to kind of try out some things that actually come in the full size box. But yeah, I have an annual one, but I do like getting these little guys just to see kind of what you guys would get. I do get 5 every season. I have 2 left, so let me know your email down below, and again, you just pay $5 in shipping. So let's go ahead. Ooh, makes a noise. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hand in. I did open the box, but I didn't really look in detail to see what it is. So, all right, so the first thing is a shampooing, cleansing, purifying scrub. So I've heard a lot of things about things like this, so I'm really excited to see how I like it. And it is a full size, guys. This is 8.4 fluid ounces. Does it have a scent? Oh, it does. It smells really good. My husband actually loves scalp scrubs. So we'll see if he actually likes this. I might give this a try as well. So that's a full size. And then there's this thing in here. So it says winter flower. What is this? Oh, that's so cute. It's to make a kind of like a dream catcher kind of thing for crafting. It even comes with a little needle. That is really, really cool. I don't have time to do this with my munchkin. But this is really cool. I thought when I was younger, I would have totally loved this. This is really cute. I really like that they even incorporated this for them crafty women and men out there. All right, so that's the second thing. Then I think this is the last. Yeah. All right, so the last thing I got says pour with love. You guys can kind of see that. Little nozzle things on top. Is this for like oil? Oh, put whatever you need in there. I think you could put it with oil. That is so cute though. That's really cute. Olive oil, vinegar, soap, other liquids. That's literally what it says. So that's what it's for. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I got these 3 for basically $5 just to try out the subscription. And you could cancel it. You have, I believe, 20 days after you actually get the box to cancel it. Or stay subscribed and you pay like $49 a season. Anyways, this was a really, really quick video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your email down below if you wanted to try it out. I get nothing for it. Bye, guys.